Hey, this is Mike from Baxley Speed Shop. I mean Mountain Slayers. I'm still Mountain Slayers. This is just a side gig for now. So let's talk about a little update. So I dove head in with Subarus. I am now working at the premier Subaru tuning shop in northern New England, Baxley Speed Shop. I am one of the trusted techs here. That is why you're not seeing too much content right now. Here's a little look at what we've been up to lately.
That's a lot of damage.
So as you can see, there's plenty of getting down, plenty of getting dirty, but I can't always have my phone and my camera out at work. So that's where we're at. However, I do have a little update for you guys. Now that I work at a tuning shop, guess what can get pro-tuned? This bad boy. So my boss has found a couple of issues and things I need to improve upon. So I've been slowly improving upon them. This car was supposed to go on the dyno last week, but it wasn't quite ready. So this week it's going on the dyno. We're gonna get a baseline, NA, all-wheel drive of course. I'm just gonna see how it does. And then I have some plans. This car, I need to catch you guys up on it, and I'll be making some episodes about that. But this car has a lot going for it in the future. The benefits of working at a tuning shop are immense. So soon you will see this car as joining the limited ranks of boosted H6s. I'm so hyped. I am just beyond hyped. I've been slaving over this every day after work. As soon as my boss said I could take it here, you better bet I was here. So that is a quick update. You can see some crazy projects behind me. We got, and in front of me, we got high horsepower STIs. We got Volvos. We got more WRXs and STIs. And we got more. We got more. So every day now is like my wildest fantasy, and I've got to just keep grinding away. This car is going to get its own series. I'm going to do a whole season on it, and then from there we'll be going over boosting it, building it, taking it to the track. I'm probably going to get a couple track days down NA. So we'll be doing some fun things with this. Before it gets boosted, there will be some fun. So I just want to thank you guys for sticking around. You know that cool stuff is coming up. We're going to camp soon. Just want to give a little update. And working 40 to 50 hours a week is, it's hard to do YouTube. It is difficult to do YouTube and keep up a 40-hour-a-week job, plus whatever I want to spend extra, time working. So thank you guys for being around. Thank you guys for supporting us. Like, comment, share, subscribe, anything you can. We love you guys. Thank you for joining. We'll see you next time.